1.4. Write equations and inequalities. An equation is a mathematical sentence formed by placing the symbol equal between two expressions. So you can have 2x plus 5 equal to 6 be your equation. An inequality is a mathematical sentence formed by placing one of the following symbols: less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. And any of these expressions will be considered an inequality. And here we have the vocabulary term open sentence, which is just an equation or inequality that contains an algebraic expression. So both of these can be considered open sentences because they both contain algebraic expressions. Symbols: equal means is equal to or the same as. Is less than means fewer than. Is less than or equal to can also mean at most or no more than. Is greater than can also mean more than. Is greater than or equal to can mean at least or no less than. Guided practice. Part A. Write equations and inequalities. Before you learn how to translate a verbal phrase into an algebraic expression. So for example, x more than 5. In an algebraic expression, it would be 5 plus x. But now you're going to translate a verbal sentence into an equation or inequality. The difference of twice a number k and 8 is 12. The word is will represent the equal sign. So difference means subtraction. So twice a number k, that's 2k, minus 8 is 12. The product of 6 and a number n is at least 24. So 6 times n is at least 24. A number y is no less than 5 and no more than 13. Here we have a combined inequality. So a number y is no less than 5. We can write it as this, and then no more than 13, we could write the other side of the combined inequality. The quotient of a number p, quotient means division, and 12, so p over 12, is at least 30. The difference of twice a number c and 10 is no more than 42. So 2c minus 10 is no more than 42. The sum of 24 and 3 times the number y is equal to 56. So 24 plus 3y equals 56. Part B. Check possible solutions. Check whether the given number is a solution of the equation or inequality. So you have 11x minus 4 equals 18. And it wants you to check whether 2 is a solution of this equation. So you can plug in 2 for x, 11 times 2 minus 4, so 22 minus 4, what do we get? 18. So yes, it is a solution. Next one, 4.2 over 6 plus 8 equals 1.5. And if we continue to simplify this, 42 over 60 plus 8, simplify, we get 7 over 12. So this would be 8 and 7 over 12, so no. So 2 times 15 over 5 plus 4 equals, so here 30 over 5 gives you 6 plus 4 and 10. So yes, 6 times 4 minus 5 is 24 minus 5 is 21, and that is greater than 13. Yes. The next one, 5 plus 12 over 3. This makes 15. Divided by 3 is 5, but 5 is not greater than 12, so no. If you can do this in your head, that's fine. I'll accept it. Word problems. Multi-step problem and inequality problem. Mountain biking. The last time you and 3 friends went to a mountain bike park, you had a coupon for $10 off and paid $17 for 4 tickets. What is the regular price of 4 tickets? I'm going to stop here. Let P equal the regular price. So I want to know what it costs without the coupon. So I could do R subtract 10. So R is the original price, and after I take off $10, I paid $17 for all 4 tickets. So solving for R, I get 27. And then now I want to keep reading. If you pay the regular price this time and share it equally, how many does each person pay? So there are 4 of you, you and 3 friends. So you're going to have to take 27 divided by 4. And that would be $6.75 per person. So there are 2 answers. $27 for the regular price and $6.75 per person. Basketball. A basketball player scored 351 points last year. If the player plays 18 games this year, will an average of 20 points per game be enough to beat last year's total? Let's define your variable. Let x equal the number of points per game. So this player is going to play 18 games this year. 18 times x would give you the total number of points. So we want to know if he's able to beat 351. So you have to use the greater than sign. And then you solve for the inequality. So, and then the question is, Will an average of 20 points per game be enough to beat last year's total? So if we check 20 into this equality, 20 is greater than 19 and a half. So we can say yes. And that concludes our lesson for 1.4.